Alright guys, back. Okay, I went outside, I checked the fitment of this. It fits directly on the bezel. It actually covers the gap between the bezel and the headlight, which makes it look very seamless and nice. So I'll show you that thing later. I made a little research trying to figure out what this were, and this actually called splice connectors. Basically, you don't need to do any soldering or anything. You just put whatever wires you're gonna have a connection with together, like so. Let's see if it's zooming. There we go. So you just plug in like this, and with some pliers you just press them in like so. You press them in, the wires will get locked, and then this would help it lock and prevent the thing from coming off or whatever, you know. So that's what they are. So anyway, these are the signal wires. So there's like a plug on the headlamp, on the headlights, in which you're gonna connect whichever, I believe this, according to the diagram over here, the black one, both look kind of white to me. One is a little bit gray, the one is more white. We'll assume the white one, I assume the white one is the red, and the slightly gray will be the black. So I'll connect them like that, see what happens. Anyway, so you're gonna look for a white on the Challenger. You're gonna look for a white cable with a brown strip, and that will be just signal wire, and you'll use this splice connector to connect them together. So it comes with a ground, which is a black, thankfully it's black, and the battery cable, the red. So here are the other connectors to the halos, or to the lights, and it's labeled clearly which one goes to the right and the left side. So that's perfect. And here we got a third connection for the nasty glow, which is underglow, or this module has capability of controlling two different parts of the car simultaneously. So you can make different combinations if you have underglow either under your car, or I don't know, you can probably play with it, but I'll reserve this for later. Maybe in the future I'll try to do something with it, and I may get the underglow or some other stuff. Right now I'm gonna focus on this two, which are the Ringz. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and prep the car, get all the tools I need, disconnect the battery before you do any installation, any electrical installation. So I'll get that prepped, and I'll see you guys in a minute.